Welcome to our exploration of psychology, where we delve into its relevance, methods, and ethical considerations. Join us as we uncover the profound impact psychology has across various domains. Psychology extends its reach across multiple fields, informing theory and practice. It transfers evidence-based principles to applied settings, encouraging collaborative research and societal problem-solving. In sociology, psychological theories enhance our understanding of perception, identity, and group processes. They enrich explanations of social structures, collective behavior, and institutions, offering insights into group conflict and stereotyping. In social work and clinical practice, psychology plays a crucial role in assessment, intervention, and resilience building. It integrates therapeutic techniques and trauma-informed approaches to support individuals effectively. Psychology contributes to theology and religious studies by examining moral reasoning and spiritual development. It engages in dialogue with theological questions about meaning, community, and ethics. In business, HR, and organizational psychology, principles of motivation, leadership, selection, and training are key. Psychology enhances workplace well-being and organizational performance, driving success. Education benefits from psychology through cognitive and developmental insights that underpin pedagogy. It informs curricular design, assessment, and learning strategies, enhancing educational outcomes. In health sciences and medicine, psychology informs public health strategies and adherence to regimens. It contributes to pain management and psychosocial integration in care, improving patient outcomes. Forensic psychology plays a vital role in law and criminology, addressing criminal behavior and eyewitness testimony. It supports offender rehabilitation and legal decision-making, enhancing justice systems. Research methods in psychology are diverse, aligning with research questions, ethics, and phenomena. Psychology employs quantitative, qualitative, and mixed methods approaches to explore complex issues. Quantitative methods in psychology involve numerical data, statistical analysis, and standardized measurement. Typical designs include lab experiments, RCTs, correlational studies, and surveys. Quantitative methods offer strengths like causal inference and generalizability but can abstract phenomena from context and subjective meaning. Balancing these aspects is crucial for effective research. Qualitative methods emphasize depth, context, and subjective meaning. They include interviews, focus groups, ethnography, narrative analysis, and case studies, providing rich insights into human experiences. Qualitative methods offer nuanced insights into culture, process, and meaning, with flexibility. However, they face limitations in statistical generalizability and potential researcher subjectivity, mitigated by reflexivity and transparent coding. Mixed methods approaches combine the strengths of quantitative and qualitative paradigms. For example, surveys quantify stress prevalence while interviews explore coping strategies, offering comprehensive insights. Methodological rigor and reproducibility are vital in psychology, with sound measurement, transparent reporting, and replication strengthening credibility. Trends include pre-registration, replication initiatives, and open data. Ethics in psychology protect participants, clients, and professional integrity. Key principles include informed consent, confidentiality, and non-maleficence, ensuring ethical standards are upheld. Informed consent involves clear information on purpose, methods, risks, and voluntary nature. Confidentiality ensures secure storage, anonymization, and careful disclosure, safeguarding participant privacy. Minimizing harm, providing debriefing, and support are essential. Cultural sensitivity respects diversity, adapting methods and interventions. Competence involves working within scope and seeking supervision when needed. Ethical oversight and professional accountability are crucial, with IRBs reviewing risk-benefit, consent, and data plans. These committees ensure ethical standards are upheld, protecting participants' rights and welfare. Engage in self-assessment activities to explore how psychological theories complement or challenge each other. contribute to ethical decision-making, and integrate biological explanations into social contexts. In conclusion, psychology uniquely bridges philosophical inquiry and empirical rigor. It values pluralistic theories, methodological diversity, and ethical accountability, enabling interdisciplinary collaboration to tackle complex societal challenges. Thank you for watching and investing in your learning journey with us. If this video sparked new insights, give it a thumbs up and share it with someone who'd benefit. Subscribe and hit the bell so you never miss a chance to grow with us, whether you're a student, educator, or lifelong learner. Got questions or ideas? Drop them in the comments. We read every one and love building this learning community with you. Until next time, keep questioning, keep growing, and keep making education count.